exercise, we're working the hamstrings, the glutes, and the lower back is going to stabilize the movement. So we're going to start with the weight right in between your feet. You're going to do a deadlift to bring it up. Then the movement starts from the top down. So you're going to barely bend your knees and then just push your butt straight backwards, keeping your back flat. You should feel a stretch in your hamstrings at the bottom. So right here is where I start to feel that stretch. I'm not going to go any lower than that because then I'll have to start rounding my back. So I want to keep my back flat. Butt goes backwards, feel that stretch, and then squeeze your butt, push your hips forward. It's really like a forward and backwards movement at the hips. Backwards and forwards. When you're done, keep your back flat. Bring it down like a deadlift. All right.